Hi everyone, I'm Ken Edwards, head trader at GoldDealer.com. Been here since 1981. I know that's hard to believe because it doesn't even look like I was born before 1981, but in any event, I'm here to talk today about one of the most popular numismatic items in the marketplace, and this is a product that's been very popular for a long time, and that's one of the keys in investing in numismatics, is to buy and sell those products that have a history, that have been bought and sold for some time. That track record is important. You don't want to buy something that is really rare supposedly today, hoping that it will be popular down the road. And the track record and the development of the track record creates a definitive case that what was popular 30 years ago, was popular 40 years ago, is going to be popular today and is going to be popular in the future. But in any event, this is what we call the 8-piece US gold set. You can see the prices of these products on our website under the column that's entitled Pre-1933 US Gold and Silver Coins. This set has ranged in price over the past 30 years anywhere from about $5,000 to as high as $30,000. Right now the set is relatively inexpensive, trading just less than $8,000. This set contains 8 coins that were actually produced for use as currency. These were $20 gold pieces, $10 gold pieces, 5s and 2.5s that were produced to use as money, and they actually, most of them were actually used as money. And there's a big attrition in these coins. Some of these coins had mintages of 50 and 100 million pieces over their run. They were made and used in circulation from about the 1860s and 1870s through 1930s. In fact, the last of these coins was made in 1933. But this particular set contains 2 of each examples of the denominations: the double eagle, the half eagle, and the quarter eagle. There's 8 coins in the group. There is gold in the coins, of course. That's what gives them part of their value. There's about 3.6 ounces of gold in this set. What's interesting is that the premiums, or the price that these coins have traded for, has varied widely over the past several years. In fact, I have a sheet that shows the multiple of the price of these coins in relation to gold, and it's taken as much as 20 ounces of gold to buy this set in the past. Right now it takes only about 6 or 7 ounces of gold to buy this set, so the relative premium of the set is pretty small. The coins are shown again on our website, and you can see a picture of what the individual coins look like and the individual prices of the coins. We sell coins individually, so you can accumulate a set, 1 or 2 coins at a time, or you can buy the whole set at a time. We in fact have investors that buy multiple sets at a time, so just depending on your budget and how fast you want to act in the marketplace. Again, these coins were produced for use in coinage. The coin that we always see talked about, one of the coins that's popular, is the $20 St. Gaudens by itself. We quote the price of this every day, and it's a double eagle. It's the second in the series of double eagles that was produced, the $20 St. Gaudens. They call it, of course, a double eagle not because there's 2 eagles on it, but because the first coin produced by the U.S. and the largest denomination of gold coin that was going to be produced was the $10 gold piece. That they called the eagle. Later they decided they needed a bigger denomination of a coin, so they created a double eagle. So you have the $20 St. Gaudens, which is a double eagle, then the $10 Indian that was made between 1907 and 1933. That's called an eagle, or a $10 Indian. Then you have the smaller coins, the $5 and the $2.50. What's interesting is those coins are particularly scarce, the smaller denominations. They were used to a greater degree as currency. A lot of $20 gold pieces went to Europe and that kind of thing, but the smaller coins stayed here, were used as currency, so there's a bigger attrition. The populations of the coins are known. I have this sheet, and you can get this sheet. We can send it to you, or you can check it out. But it has the number of coins of each of the denominations that have been graded by PCGS over the years. Starting with the $20 St. Gaudens, there's 216,000 known to be graded in that grade. That's a relatively common coin. You go down to all the way to the rarest in terms of population, the $2.50 Liberty, of which there's only 13,144 that have been graded by PCGS. So some of these are quite scarce. Again, they're not all that expensive, especially when you compare them to where they've been in the past, and you compare them to the kinds of multiples they're trading versus their gold content. There's lots of information about these coins on our website. I'd encourage you to take a look at it and see what you think. And please call with any questions you might have. There's all kinds of interesting information. We talk mostly about the most common dates of the series. There are better dates that trade for bigger multiples and bigger prices, and that's how people develop collections over time. Is they kind of move into different areas, perhaps better dates, other smaller denominations like $1 gold pieces and $3 gold pieces. But check it out. We have all of this stuff is available. All you have to do is call to get it. And I also have this sheet that I actually kept this sheet since 1990. I've had this piece of paper since 1990, and I'm writing down the price of the set divided by the price of gold, which comes up with the number of ounces again that it takes to buy this set. And you'll find if you look at this sheet that prices of these sets right now are very inexpensive. But anyway, that's a brief overlook of the 8-piece gold set in Mint State 63. Please again call if you have any questions. Check out the website at www.GoldDealer.com and see what you think.